Good morning, students. Let's start today chapter 2 revision, fractions. But before that, I want to ask you that yesterday I have given you some questions. Many of you have done and sent me at my Gmail ID. But some of you are not doing your work properly. You are not sending me the homeworks. Why? Student, these questions are very helpful for you for your examination preparation. Okay, so do your work seriously and do the revision properly. So let's come to the topic, fractions. What is fraction? I have taught you fraction is a part of a whole. And how we can represent fraction? It is represented in the form of A by B, where A and B are natural numbers and B is not equal to 0. I have already explained you about this. Fraction is just a part of a whole, and there are various types of fraction like proper fraction, improper fractions, mixed fractions. You have to apply all the rules of fractions and try to solve these questions which I am going to give you today as a revision. Okay? First question, arrange the following fractions in descending order. You have to arrange it in descending order. This A and B. You know the rule. You have to first take the LCM of the denominators and then make all the denominators equal and then arrange it in descending order. Second, question number 2. Insert two fractions between this and this. You know the inserting rules. You have to plus the numerator and again plus this denominator, and again whatever the answer will come, you have to again add it with this. You know the rules. You have solved already all such types of questions. It is given in your book. Question number 3. Simplify. You have to simplify it. Apply the BODMAS rule in this. Okay. Bracket work first and then addition, at last subtraction. 4. A ribbon is 2 whole 3 by 5 meter long. It is divided into 3 parts. The first part is 5 by 6 meter long and the second part is 6 by 5 meter long. Find the length of the third part of the ribbon. You know, third part, if it is divided into 3 parts, then this plus, and third part you can let as x, and which is equal to this, and you can find out the value of x. Next is, Sonam and Priya bought a book costing rupees 1300. Sonam paid 3 by 5 and Priya paid 2 by 5 of the total cost price. 3/5 and 2/5 of the total cost price. Okay? And how much did each of them spend? How much Priya spent and how much Sonam has spent, you have to find out. Fraction multiplication you can apply here. Question number 6. Find x and y so that 9 by 14 is equal to x by 28 is equal to 45 by y. First you will take this 2, do the cross multiplication, find out the value of x. And then again you can take this 2. First and last, and then you can again cross multiply and find out the value of y. Question number 7. Evaluate. You have to evaluate it. Take the denominator's LCM and do the same fractional addition or subtraction, whatever you are doing. Same rule. Question number 8. Reduce the complex fractions to their simplest form. This is a complex fraction. You have to reduce it to its simplest form. First work is you have to change this into improper, this also into improper fraction, then reciprocal, multiply and get the answer. This also, but here is an addition sign. So you will change this first into improper, then this and this. First you will add this 2, write down, and then you will subtract this 2 and then make its reciprocal and find out the answer. So these are the 8 questions which you have to do today itself and send it at my Gmail ID. Okay, without fail.